Bingo dashed into the backyard shouting, "Adventure time!" Their paws thumped, tails wagged, eyes glowing. Suddenly, splash, a giant pink starfish popped out of the kiddie pool. Bluey yelped, "What is that?" Bingo gasped, "He's talking!" Patrick Star stood up dripping water. "Hey guys! I'm Patrick!" His voice boomed silly. Coco screamed, "A starfish just talked!" Muffin laughed so hard she fell on her back. Could surprise hit this wild? Patrick grabbed a toy shovel. "Let's dig!" He started scooping dirt like crazy. Bluey barked, "Not in Mom's flowers!" But Patrick dug faster, spraying mud everywhere. Bingo ducked, he's a digging machine. Could chaos fly this messy? Snickers rolled in with his toy car, honking. "Stop him!" But Patrick sat on the car, crunch, it flattened like a pancake. Everyone gasped. Patrick giggled, "Oops!" Bluey shouted, "He's too strong!" Muffin squealed, "He's hilarious!" Could shock feel this heavy? Then Patrick pulled out a giant Krabby Patty from his shorts. Snack time! The kids stared wide-eyed. Coco licked her lips, "That's huge!" Patrick took a giant bite. Chomp! Crumbs rained everywhere. Bingo laughed till tears rolled. Could hunger look this silly? Suddenly the ground shook. Thump thump. Bandit walked over. "What's going on?" He froze at Patrick. "Why is there a giant pink starfish in my yard?" Patrick waved, "Hi Dad Dog." Bandit groaned, "This day is too weird. Could family moments crash this hard?" Patrick jumped up. Dance party! Music blasted from nowhere. He spun like a goofy tornado, arms flopping, tongue out. Bluey and Bingo joined, tails swinging, paws tapping. Everyone danced wild under the sunset, laughing so hard they fell. Could joy explode this big? Finally Patrick shouted, "I have to go back to Bikini Bottom." He cannonballed into the kiddie pool, splash, and vanished. Only bubbles floated up. Bluey blinked, "Did that just happen?" Bingo nodded, "We met a legend." Bluey turned to you, panting but grinning. If you laughed, danced, and got messy with us, smash that like, subscribe, and don't miss our next crazy surprise guest.